Hi everybody, today I'm gonna do an unboxing and this is gonna be about the Vionic sandal. It's the Kirra sandal that I've received, and let's take a look inside. Comes with some instructions and then of course how to take care of your sandals. Bands in here, so let's take that apart. It's red. I love the color. It's so bright. It's very bright. Look at it. And then of course we have to take these little snaps off. So if you look at it, it has the V strap upper part and it's leather and it feels really soft. I mean really soft. So I know it's gonna feel really soft on my skin. So it has the back strap and of course the gold tone hardware. And I like the fact that it has the elastic goring here. So this way, right here, the goring right here. So this way, whenever you, walk, it will adjust to your movement. So it won't actually, hold tight. It will be flexible. So that's what I like about it too. Now let's read a little bit more about it, okay? So this way you have an idea. So it's the red color. It's leather with a triangular shape, the upper part, and it has the back strap, as I said before, right here, and for security and stability, and the goring, as I mentioned before. It has a gold tone hardware, and it's sleek. I love this, how sleek it is and how beautiful. And then for your information also, it comes in whole and half sizes, which I really like. And it has, let's see, it mentions also that it's available in women's medium width sizes, that's 5, 6 through 10, and then 11. And then the wide widths are sizes 6 through 11. And I'm wearing a size 8. So, so if you like that, the different sizes that they have, the availability, that's great. So pretty much I love the T-strap look. I mean, look at it. It's just beautiful. And it sits really high here on top right here. So it gives you that beautiful look. So one more time. So this one, and then it has that little flexible toe strap right here. I love it. Look at that. So this will not irritate your skin. So right here. But overall I love the color, and they have various colors. I think white, black, and other ones. You can look on their website what they have. But so far I'm very impressed with it, and I can't wait to wear it. And I will show you guys in an Instagram post how it will look on me. But so far I like it, so I hope you like it. Bye everybody.